unit, new unit, quaternions. Quaternion. A quaternion Q is number expressed as Q is equal to 1 into Q1, 1 into Q0 plus I into Q1 plus J into Q2 plus K into Q3, that is equal to Q0 plus I Q1 plus J Q2 plus K Q3, where Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 belongs to R and I1, I, J, K are unit orthogonal vectors in R to the power 4. So 1 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0. I is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0. J is equal to 0, 0, 1, 0. K is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1. So the representation of the figure is given in this way. That is quaternion Q as a vector in the vector space R4 with orthogonal normal basis vectors ijk 1 ijk 1 ijk. So here real numbers Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 are also scalars. A vector Q is equal to IQ1 plus JQ2 plus KQ3. Here we have. So this is the representation of the figure. And we write Q is equal to Q0 plus Q. So the scalars Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 are called the component of the quaternion Q. Thus the quaternion consists of two parts, his scalars part and real part Q0. As a vector part Q, we can also write Q is equal to Q0 and Q. So in this manner we have this figure and its representation. So we have to take the example for this. So P is equal to 3 plus 2I minus I plus 4K is a quaternion whose components are 3, 2, minus 1, 4. We also write P is equal to 3 plus P, that is equal to 3 plus P is equal to 2I minus J plus 4K. So thus its real part is 3. Real part is 3 and its vector part is P is equal to 2I minus J plus 4K. So here 0 quaternion. It is a quaternion whose all components are 0. Thus Q is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. That is equal to 0 plus 0, that is 0 quaternion. 0 quaternion. Hence we have zero quaternion. Hence we have some examples. So 1 is equal to Q is equal to 3 plus 0. This is 3 plus 0I plus 0J plus 0K. That is equal to 3 plus 0. This is 3, 0, 0, 0. Here Q is a quaternion whose real part is is 3 and whose vector part is 0. Zero vector, that is 0 is equal to 0, 0, 0. Number 2, R is equal to 0 plus R. This can be written 0 plus R1I plus R2J plus R3K. That is nothing but 0, R1, R2, R3. Here R is a quaternion, quaternion whose real part is 0 and the vector part is the vector R is equal to R1, R2, R3. So likewise these are the examples. So we have again unit vector. It is a quaternion. It is a quaternion Q whose real part is 1 and vector part is 0 vector, that is Q is equal to 1 plus 0. Then we have here negative of quaternion negative of quaternion. So if Q is equal to Q0 plus Q, then minus Q is equal to minus Q0 minus Q. So this is the thing. Again we have equality of quaternion. So we have to show this equality of quaternion. Equality quaternion. Suppose we have two quaternion, that is P is equal to P0 plus I P1 plus I P2 plus K P3 and Q is equal to Q0 plus I Q1 plus J Q2 plus K Q3. Are said to be equal, that is P is equal to Q, P0 is equal to Q0, P1 is equal to Q1, P2 is equal to Q2 and P3 is equal to Q3. So we have got this, all this. Now the arithmetic. Now arithmetic operations on quaternion. So this is the addition of quaternion. So let P and Q be any two quaternions. P is equal to P0 plus P and Q is equal to Q0 plus Q. Their sum is P plus Q is a quaternion. Defined as P plus Q is equal to P0 plus Q0 plus P plus Q. That is P plus Q is equal to P0 plus Q0 plus P1 plus Q1 I plus P2 plus Q2 into J plus P3 plus Q3 into K. Thus, P and Q belongs to H. Hence, P plus Q belongs to H. Hence, addition is close. Addition is close operation. Hence, in this manner, addition is closed. Addition of quaternion is commutative. Again, we have here addition of quaternion is closed, is over. The addition of quaternion is commutative. It means P plus Q is equal to Q plus P. For all PQ belongs to H, we have P plus Q is equal to addition of quaternion. Quaternion is commutative. So P plus Q is Q plus P. It means P plus Q equal to P plus Q is equal to P0 plus P plus Q0 plus Q, that is equal to P0 plus Q0 P plus Q. It will be equal to Q0 plus P0 plus Q plus P. P0 plus Q0 is equal to Q0 plus P0. or P plus Q is equal to Q plus P. So this is equal to P0 plus Q plus P0 plus P, that is again Q plus P. So commutative it hold, P plus Q is equal to this one Q plus P. Again the scalar multiplication that is multiplying a quaternion by a scalar So we have to see, so let Q is equal to Q0 plus Q, that is equal to Q0 plus IQ1 plus J Q2 plus K Q3 be any equation, be any quaternion, and yes be any scalar. Then we define we defined SQ is equal to SQ0 plus SQ0 plus S into I, Q1 plus Q2 plus K Q3. So note that SQ is again quaternion, thus it is close operation. Also SQ is equal to QS. So in this manner we can have the example also. Suppose Q is equal to -1 plus 2I plus 3J minus K, then 2Q is equal to -2 plus 4I plus 6J minus 2K. So in this manner we have to, inner product is also there. So the inner products of quaternions. So suppose let P is equal to P0 plus I, P1 plus JP2 plus K, P3. So this is equal to P0 plus P, and Q is equal to Q0 plus I Q1 plus J Q2 plus K Q3, that is equal to Q0 plus Q. So be any two quaternions. We define their product. We define their inner product. So P into Q is equal to P0 into Q0 plus P1 Q1 plus P2 Q2 plus P3 Q3. Or here we have this PQ is equal to P0 plus P into Q0 plus Q, that is equal to P0 Q0 plus P into Q. So here, since this P0 Q0 is equal to P0 into P0 and PQ is equal to QP, the inner product is commutative. Inner product is commutative. Inner product is commutative. That is PQ is equal to QP. So here P and Q belongs to here. Belongs to H. So in this manner we have this inner product of quaternion. So this is the theory. Now we will look at this multiplication of two quaternions. It means this is the H means Hamiltonian product. Hamiltonian product. So the fundamental product formula, I square is equal to J square is equal to K square. That is equal to IJK equal to -1. So we have to prove this. So we have to prove this. We have to prove this. Fundamental product formula. That is equal to I square is equal to J square equal to K square. This is to IJK is equal to -1. So we have this theorem. IJ is equal to K. JK is equal to I. Then Ki is equal to J. Ji is equal to minus Ij. Kj is equal to Kj is equal to minus Jk. Ik is equal to minus K I. So we have to prove this from this. So here we have the fundamental formula quaternion multiplication, that is I square is equal to j square equal to k square equal to ijk, that is equal to minus 1, and cut it on the stone of this bridge. So we have to the proof for this. Considering the associative in multiplication, above this formula provides from the fundamental theorem, from the fundamental formula. Consider we have this is equal to ijk is equal to minus 1. So number 1, we have to prove ij is equal to k. So here we have to post multiplying this ijk is equal to minus 1 by k. So we get ij k into k equal to minus 1 into k, that is equal to minus k. So this is equal to minus k, ijk, this k into this is k into k square, this equal to minus k, that is I into j into minus 1, this is equal to minus k. K square is equal to minus 1. It means ij is equal to k. This is the, yes, we have theorem and its proof. So we have to prove jk is equal to I. So in proof, post multiplying this ijk equal to minus 1 by I into ijk is equal to I into minus I. So this will be I into jk is equal to minus 1 minus I, that is I square into j into k equal to minus I. I into I square is minus 1, so minus 1 into jk here I into I, this is minus 1, then yes, this is I square j into k is equal to minus 1, jk into minus 1 equal to minus I minus I square is equal to minus 1. So this is jk is equal to I. Now prove this ji is equal to minus I into j. Proof for this. Multiplying by j into I, that is j square k equal to j into I. Minus k is equal to j into I, that is minus I into j is equal to j into I. And last one, to prove k I is equal to j. So in proof, post multiplying by I, so I j into I equal to ki, that is minus j into I is equal to k into I. So minus j I square is equal to ki. समझे, बनकर आता भाई ki, that is j is equal to ki. Hence we have I square is equal to minus 1. So j is equal to ki. J is equal to ki. So similarly remaining part can be proved. So we have finished out this thing. After we have to look into product of two quaternions.